Part 14, the UK driving test. The UK driving test is designed to assess whether a learner can drive safely, make good decisions, and handle real road situations independently. Many learners believe the test is about perfect driving or never making mistakes, but this is not true. Examiners mainly assess safety, awareness, observation, judgment, and vehicle control. The practical driving test usually lasts around 40 minutes. During the test, learners may encounter junctions, roundabouts, different road conditions, maneuvers, and independent driving sections. The examiner will provide clear instructions and directions throughout the drive. During the test, the examiner uses an official driving test report form. This is used to record minor faults, serious faults, dangerous faults, and overall driving performance. Many learners are surprised to discover that the examiner is constantly assessing observation, safety, awareness, and decision-making throughout the entire test. Minor faults are often called driving faults. These are usually small mistakes that do not create danger and do not seriously affect safety. Examples may include slight hesitation, rough gear changes, or minor positioning errors. Learners may still pass the test with several minor faults. A serious fault occurs when safety becomes affected or a potentially dangerous situation develops. Examples may include poor observation at junctions, unsafe lane changes, or incorrect responses to hazards. Normally, one serious fault results in failing the test. A dangerous fault occurs when actual danger is created for the learner, the examiner, the public, or other road users. Dangerous faults are immediate fail situations. The examiner will assess several important driving skills. These include observation, vehicle control, road positioning, hazard awareness, planning, and responding correctly to traffic signs and signals. Here is one very important point for learners. The examiner is not expecting perfection. They are mainly looking for safe decisions, good observation, calm driving, awareness, and control. Here is an important driving tip. Most driving test failures happen because of observation mistakes, not parking maneuvers. Before the practical test begins, learners must complete an eyesight check. This involves reading a number plate from the required distance. If the eyesight check is failed, the driving test cannot continue. Drivers should wear glasses if needed. Ensure vision is clear and avoid dirty wind screens. At the start of the test, the examiner may ask a "tell me" question. These questions involve basic vehicle safety checks such as tires, lights, oil, brakes, or windscreen washers. Part of the driving test also involves independent driving. Learners may be asked to follow road signs or use a sat-nav. This section tests planning, observation, and independent decision-making. Taking a wrong turn is not normally a fault, provided it is done safely. During the drive, the examiner may also ask a "show me" question. Examples include washing the windscreen, switching on headlights, operating demisters, or using other vehicle controls. Drivers should remain calm, keep control of the vehicle, and avoid looking away from the road for too long. Here is another important driving tip. If unsure, stay safe first. Control matters more than speed. During the test, learners may be asked to perform maneuvers such as parallel parking, bay parking, or pulling up on the right and reversing. Examiners mainly assess observation, safety, control, and awareness, not perfection. Many driving test failures happen because learners forget mirror checks, miss blind spots, or fail to observe properly at junctions. Good observation creates time, improves decision-making, and prevents danger. Nearly every learner feels nervous before the tests. Common symptoms include shaky hands, rushing, forgetting routines, or overthinking mistakes. This is completely normal. The safest approach is to slow down mentally, breathe calmly, and focus on one situation at a time. Many learners fail because they make one small mistake, panic, and then lose concentration afterwards. Good drivers recover calmly from mistakes. One small error does not automatically mean failure. Here is another important driving tip. Keep driving safely until the test is completely finished. Examiners do not expect racing driver precision or perfect driving. They expect drivers who are safe, aware, calm, predictable, and responsible. Smooth driving is usually safer driving. Before the test, drivers should arrive early, sleep properly, avoid rushing, and remain hydrated. Drivers should also adjust mirrors and check seating position, check fuel, and prepare mentally before driving. Some learner drivers rush junctions, overthink maneuvers, drive too fast due to nerves, or forget simple observations. Confidence improves steadily through practice, repetition, and calm experience. The best learners usually remain calm, focus ahead, avoid panic, and recover quickly from mistakes. Driving tests are often passed through consistency, awareness, and emotional control, and not perfection. Thousands of people pass the driving test every week. Most felt nervous beforehand. Confidence develops through preparation, practice, calm observation, and experience. Passing the driving test is not about being perfect. It is about showing that you can drive safely, responsibly, and independently. Please view or listen to this part again. Playing a video or listening just once does not give much benefit, but listening again and again will help you retain the information. And in the next part 15, we will be covering psychology, confidence, and passing the driving test.